Welcome back to Andy's Guides. In today's video, we are going to show you how to connect multiple boards here in Monday.com. Let's begin. Now, the first thing that you need to do is to log in using your credentials. If this is your first time here in Monday.com, I need you to click the Get Started option, and from here, just to follow the on-screen instructions, and you're good to go. Connecting multiple boards in Monday.com can streamline your workflow and help you manage related projects more effectively. Now, if you are here already on the interface of the project that you're currently working with, I need you to click on the upper right corner. Make sure you have the proper settings, okay? And then after that, go to the Add a Column, because we're going to search for the connect boards if you haven't already. Okay, I want you to click on the more columns. You see there's an option that says connect already, but if you don't, click on more columns and type in connect. If you can't see the connect board option, all right, you can connect data from other boards. All I'm gonna do is click on add to board. All right, now here you see, you can connect this board to other boards. You can easily view and edit items from any board you choose. In this case, all I'm going to do is select boards. For example, that's going to be this one and this one. Okay. Connect boards. That's going to be a lot easier. We have a separate video on how to create a mirror column. I'll do that later. Now, you see, for us to be able to connect multiple boards, we have already connected boards from Andy's Guides and connect multiple boards. If that makes sense, click on this upper right here corner. All I'm going to do is again, click on this ellipsis, the three dots button, click on settings, and I want you to click on the customize connect boards. All right. Now, for you to be able to connect multiple boards here in Monday.com, it's very easy. All I'm gonna do is click this connect more boards option, and of course you would need to choose the connected boards already. All right, and if you want, you can create a two-way connection, and of course from there you need to select the names. All right, I only have 2 boards at the moment, but the thing is, if you have like working from 10 to 20 boards, you might want to search the board by name, select that. And obviously, all they're going to do is click on the connect boards option. So the idea is connecting boards will allow you to consolidate reporting and data analysis. Of course, you can aggregate information from multiple boards to generate reports, track key metrics, and make informed decisions. That's it for today's video. Thank you so much for watching. We will see you again in the next one.